guys, how's it going? This is Christy Lani and welcome to my channel. Today I got the Cult Crushes. It's a subscription box that will deliver every month for $11, and you will get at least $50 worth of product in there. So I finally got mine re-delivered because it came last week but I wasn't home. And hold on. Ay, oops, sorry. Novella is like jumping. She's like stalking me. She's waiting down. Hi, my baby. Oh, thank you. She's just a good girl. I was talking to the mailman outside and I put my plate on the sofa, not realizing that she was a jerk and she ate the rest of my food. So I had eggs and corned beef hash on there with bread. She ate the corned beef hash and the eggs and a piece of the bread. She was just acting like a jerk, I guess, because I was outside talking to the postman and she was inside. She's a jerk. You're a jerk, Lantern, Novella. But I just thought that was funny. It's not funny, but I thought it was funny because she just went there. But anyways, okay, so I got the Cult Crushes unboxing for you guys. So I know that they emailed me, and one of the palettes that they were giving out for this month, the month of April, they were all out, so they had to, you know, give me another palette, which I didn't get, but it was they gave it before, but since I don't have it, I don't mind getting it. And as soon as I open it, oops, it's really, I just really like the way they package things, and it's cute. And okay, so first of all, I got some nails. It is nail her right there, but it's really pretty. Look at that. Professional manicures that there's a snap on it. Yeah, that'll be nice just to pop it on some days, because I took my nails off because I just wanted it to breathe for a little while. Okay, and then we got, but I got this sample of Midnight Shift Overnight Facial Oil for Hydrating Radiance. Okay, so it says here, so one would be sample, and on my card it says Moonlight Skincare Midnight Shift Oil Samples. Samples is more than one, right? So if you guys can read that there, but oh well. Anyway, and then the next item I got is this Burt's Bees cleansing towelettes. It's for removing makeup, cleanses, and hydrates, and it's 99.5 natural. So all but 1% can be natural, you know what I mean? But it comes with 30 in here. So I don't mind trying this. But I don't know if, well, maybe for this one it was. I like this. It's so cute, yeah? I think that's cute. Okay, so for me, I got the Chi Chi eyeshadow palette. I know I've seen this palette in the other girls' ones a few months back, I think. Okay, but it has all of these bright colors, so I don't mind getting it since I didn't get it before. But it only came with 3 items today. It doesn't have any prices for the products, but it came with 1, 2, 3. So they count the sample as a product, so that's like 4 items I got. But it don't matter. It's only $11 and it's not too bad. So let me try and open this. Okay. I'm just trying to see where it is made. Okay. The stalker over here in Novella, she's like sniffing everything. I know you guys all seen this one before, but it's, wow, it's cute. It comes with a brush, and those are really bright colors. I'm just gonna swatch a few. Look at that, not too bad. Look, it's just one swipe and it's that dark. One day I'll use this palette and try testing it out for the festive, for the day that I feel like a festive day, a fiesta. But overall, it's alright. I'm not too disappointed. I did get the palette, so I think that would make up the whole box, I guess. And the nails is cute. Okay, so I just didn't like when they say samples and it's only one sample. That's like Porigi kind. Nah, I'm just joking. If you don't know what Porigi is, it's just like, we just tease the Porigi people because they talk Flani, even though they might not be Portuguese. But I'm just joking, okay guys? Don't take nothing personal like that. Okay, so I got all of these items in there. Yeah, but if you guys didn't try this, sorry, the earthquake is on the bottom there. But if you guys didn't try this box, I really like it so far. I got 2 palettes in there, eyeshadow palettes, so far. So it's not too bad because the palettes can run at least what, from $20 to $40 or whatever. I'm not quite sure, but I'm happy with it, even though they ran out of the shadows that were supposed to be given this month. It's all right. Hi. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hope you all have a great day, and be kind now, be nice to everybody. Bye. Look at that. I'm just a mess, right?